Where's Grandpa? Can you take me to him? Jump up. How'd you know I could count on you?
Stop, please! Stop!
Grandpa!
Oh, Lily. I'm so glad to see you.
There's this island of talking trains, and they said you might have been there. But Mr. Conductor's very sick, and Junior's in danger, and I had to leave poor Thomas behind. Here, please help me.
I'd like to, Lily. Nothing seems to work.
This is the lost engine from long ago. Now we can go back to the island and bring Mr. Conductor and Junior home.
I can't make her steam. I've tried all the different coals in the valley.
Lady. Is that her name?
Yes.
Coal. Special coal from the island of Sodor. That's what Lady needs. Patch, there's a coal truck up at the top of the mountain. Do you think you could get some? Of course I will.
I'm sorry, Lily. I'm sorry because I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. I will be! I will be! James!
So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
Junior, what are we going to do?
We'll think of something.
That's it.
I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. If I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
No, we're not.
James the Brains, get us out of here.
Now we are.
What the?
Hoo-yah! Ha!
Bye, James. Sorry it'd be so long, Cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.
Did Grandma love Lady as much as you do? Did she take a ride on her?
Grandma loved her because I loved her. But she never took a ride on Lady. I couldn't fix her in time.
Getting its energy back.
Well, my lady, green for you now. Green for glory.
Tasha would have loved this journey.
Yes, she would. And she'd love it that you're with me now.
So, Burnett, you didn't forget about magic. It's safe inside you.
Thomas!
You found her, and she's beautiful!
We're on the island of Sodor. Stop, Grandpa. Stop, lady. Hello, Junior. Hello, Mr. C. Mr. Conductor, this is my grandpa.
I'm glad you were able to find your way back. Junior, do you realize who this is?
I reckon this is one beautiful engine. This is the lost engine. Oh, are we glad to see you? Now we can go back to Shining Time.
Junior, we won't make it back to Shining Time without the gold dust. Without it, the magic can't exist.